Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I package orders for my small business. The business that I have is selling shoes. My business is called Fetch Shoetique. You can follow it on Instagram and on Twitter. And so I have a couple of orders from the weekend, and so I'm just going to show you guys and walk you guys along with how I packaged orders. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually get on my laptop. I'm going to print the packing slips for each of the orders. And then I'm going to go get the products that's supposed to be shipped out for each order that I've received over the weekend. So I've printed all the packing slips. Here's an example of what one looks like. And so I'm going to grab each item for the orders, and then I'm going to place the packing slip on top of the items. That way nothing gets mixed up and there's no confusion. That way I can keep track of everything that I have. Okay, so for the first order that I have, it's for 2 anklets. It is for our Brooklyn anklet, and then our cam anklet, which is a super skinny anklet. I have these little things that they go on and they're gonna dangle. So I'm gonna put both of them in 2 of these. Okay, so we have the 2 anklets ready. And for the ankles, I'm using this very small poly mailer. It's the bubble wrap kind. So I'm going to put these in here as well as the packing slip. And now this order is done. And so I'm going to just put this to the side for now. And then I'm going to show you how I package shoe orders. So for the next order, we have the Kendra shoe. It's like, going to take it out of the box, and then I'm just going to throw the box to the side, and I am going to put these shoes in a plastic bag. So this is what the shoes are going to go in. It's a plastic bag with a seal on the top. I just made the box for the shoes. So this box is a medium flat rate box. Now, a medium flat rate box costs about $15 to ship. To get around that, what I do, because this box is like the perfect size, I'm going to put it in a black poly mailer bag. That way I can pay the cheapest shipping by weight and still have these boxes from the USPS, which are free, instead of buying boxes that are this exact size. Now, for the bigger order that I have, I am going to use another USPS box. This one, just a large mailing box, meaning it's no flat rate cost. I don't need to put anything on the outside. So you do want to make sure that if you are going to use a flat rate box, make sure it's cost effective, or try and go ahead and get some poly mailers to go on top of them. logging back onto my site and I'm going into each order. That way I can go ahead and print a shipping label. I use the Avery labels, which is 2 labels per sheet that you can just peel and stick onto the package. I'm going to take the packages, I'm going to weigh them, and then enter that into my site. That way I can get the proper postage for my label. And once I have everything printed out, I'll go ahead and box and close everything up, and I'll stick the labels on along with a Fetch sticker. That's all for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you want to see any more videos about my business or you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.